Hi everybody, my name is Donnie and today I'm going to show you how to easily connect a MongoDB database to your Next.js project when you vibe code. Just a disclaimer, I am no expert, I am a vibe coder just like you. I started around, I would say 8 months ago when Cline just came out. It was Claude Dev, I think. That's when I started vibe coding, and I've built around 10 to 15 apps now, and some of them are starting to actually make money, so it's cool. So I came across Cline on a Reddit thread and I started using it and I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so awesome. And then as I started building apps, I figured out that I would need some sort of database or storage. I've tried Superbase. It was quite complicated in the beginning. It's not so much anymore for me. As you code more, you start learning more. But then I started using MongoDB, and it's just so much better for me and so much easier. It just works great with vibe coding. Okay, so let's get into it. So this is a basic website that I've built quickly just to get this demo up and running. It's a marketplace, so users will be able to add listings here. So we just set this up for the demo quickly. Okay, so the first thing is you'll need to go to MongoDB. If you don't have an account, just join, sign up with your Google, whatever. Then you click on your organization. Then there's a drop down where you can say add new project. Then you add that. Then you click on create a cluster. When you create a cluster, you'll come to this section. So what I normally do is I just copy this. Then I go over to my VS Code. We'll be using Cline with Claude 3.5. It's good enough for this. 3.7 is quite expensive, so I don't play around with that one too much. Then I would always say, please read my code so that I can understand what the app is all about. We just give it a couple of seconds so it goes through the code quickly. Okay, so now it's read it. It understands what the app is about. Then I would say, please add my MongoDB. Then I paste that. Please also update the env. I want users to add listings so we can save that to the MongoDB database as well as their images for the listing. So the cool thing about MongoDB for me is it's a no SQL database, so you don't need like tables predefined beforehand, and that for me is working very well with vibe coding, especially if you're building. As you build and you add features, you don't have to define the tables beforehand, which is very easy and cool for me. So there it goes, and it's starting to implement the MongoDB. And like I said, I'm no expert. I'm just like you guys, vibe coding, learning as I go. But I've actually started making money with some of my apps. I've built a few on Expo React for my mobile apps, and for all my web apps I use Next.js because the hosting is free on Vercel. That is a big bonus for me, and it's quite easy, and I think Claude is doing really well with React code. It really understands it. Okay, so now I need to update the add listing page to handle the submissions for our new API endpoints. I'll modify the page. Okay, then we'll do a test listing and see if it works. Yeah, so MongoDB, it's the free tier is very generous, and as your app scales, you can always upgrade. But like I said, it's very generous. You can go check on their website, they have their pricing. I think I'm using the Atlas, that's the free one, free version. Okay, so now it's on the page, it's doing some edits there. You can actually go to the page and reload. Nothing yet. Okay, save that. Okay, so it's updating the config. Okay, I've completed all the necessary changes to integrate MongoDB and image uploads. Let's test it. Let's quickly check if it's connected and working. Create a test. Done. Clusters. It looks like it's connected already. Let's do a test listing quickly. See if everything's working. Add a listing. PS5. PS for sale. Price. I don't know what they go for in US dollars. 800. New, like new electronics. Choose file. Let's just add a random file. Submitting listing. Okay, error creating listing. Then we go back. Claude. Error listing. Might be an issue. Configure it's properly set up. Could you please provide? I don't have that. We'll just save it directly to the MongoDB for the images. I did not set up. Let's just add the image to MongoDB. I'll modify the code to store image directly. You can set that up. I actually use that in one of my other apps that I'm busy building. But for this demo, we'll just easily set it up to MongoDB just to show you guys. It's actually really easy and quick to connect to a MongoDB database. Bash display base images. There's no need for that, but let's let him go forth. No featured listings. We'll probably start pulling the actual listings. Okay, let's go back and test it. PS5, PS5 for sale, price 800, new, choose file, just add that one, submit. Just check what the console is saying. So we'll just send that to Claude. And the cool thing about vibe coding is you're actually learning about coding and you understand more, and it just gets better the more you play. It's just expensive to play with Claude's API key, but there are many other options. Okay, let's run div and see, load a new one, see if it's working now. Add a listing, PS5, PS5 for sale, price 800, new, choose image, submit, and there we go. The database is connected and it's pulling through. I haven't created a page yet, so this card is only displaying basics of this listing, but I can then go on and create a card or a page for each listing. Let's just go to the MongoDB database, browse collections, and then you'll see that listing was saved, and there's the listing. Easy as that. That's why I love MongoDB. It works great. Okay guys, so that's it for this demo. I'll add some more other tutorials and demos of me trying to learn with you guys about vibe coding. And again, don't crucify me, I'm no expert. I'm just showing you guys what I've learned and my experiences through vibe coding and what works for me. Okay guys, thanks. Cheers.